guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Michaela, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 3 ways to wear a Luxy Hair clip-in ponytail. Let's go! First up is a classic high ponytail. I'll show you how the clip-in ponytail works. You'll start by creating a ponytail with your natural hair. You can decide how high on your head you want this to be. Just make sure it's tight. Take the clip-in ponytail and place the claw or grip part into the top base part of your ponytail. It's super helpful to slide it actually under your elastic band to help it stay secure. Then wrap the ponytail tightly around together. You'll see Velcro that will go together to secure it. Wrap the tail part around to cover everything. Twist the ends and use bobby pins to secure it. You can leave the pony as is, or feel free to style before or after with a curling iron or straightener or braid. I find the ponytail blends really well with most hair because it completely wraps and almost envelopes your natural hair with the extensions. I love this look. Ariana Grande vibes, anyone? If you want to add an easy 20 inches of length and thickness to your low ponytail, the Luxy Hair Clip-In Ponytail is your new BFF. Same steps here. Create a low base ponytail where you want it on your head and make sure it's tight. Insert the grip right into your elastic on the top and wrap tightly so the Velcro meets. Wrap the tail end around to cover everything and twist the ends. Secure with pins. Okay, lastly, another great way to use the clip-in ponytail is to amp up a beautiful bun. Start with a high ponytail with the Luxy Hair Clip-In Ponytail already clipped in. Split the ponytail in half and you're going to braid or twist each section. Then twist the 2 braids or twists around each other. Then just take some bobby pins to secure it all in place. That's it for today's video. If you want to learn more about clip-in ponytails, check out the description box below. Make sure to give this video a like, and we'll see you next time.